I'm Miss Horizon Chaser at saka Skills. Sir, pagsakay sa Pupineriya naman po. Doon naman tayo po sa Pumi naman, ang mga maliit natin ng mga bensya.
Ang pinaka-sexiest ng Namuning Bakery.
Dito nabanggit ko po kasi yung teknolohiya, di ba po? So, ano na yung ipapayo natin o at paano po sila makikilala? Thank you.
For small bakeries, more than big. Basically, that's why we're inviting you sa Bakery Fair 2025 because we have suppliers there who have different and new technology na ingredient like for fats. Kunyari, example, mayroon kayong certain ingredient na butter. Pwedeng i-replace yan ng ingredient nila to reduce cost. For eggs as well, meron din. So, yung mga small bakeries, pakikinabang dito sa ino-offer natin innovation sa ingredients. Yes, hindi lang pamalaki, even the small bakeries. New bakeries will benefit from this technology. Ayan, they can talk with all our allied members who joined the Bakery Fair 2025. Thank you po.
President, may tinanong dito, isang journalist, sabi niya, here's a question, no need to mention his kingdom, andito siya ngayon. How do you see, sabi niya, President Chris A., how do you see the future of bakeries evolving in terms of innovation, health trends, and customer preferences? Anything about trends and innovation dito sa Bakery Fair?
Papasok mo lang kita sa trends sa aking masulit na kaibigan. So ito, sa trends, share mo muna yung trends natin ngayon. Ito kasi ano ito eh, ginagawang divisory ang Japan eh, doon kumuha ng trends eh.
Second Vice President Jenny Mindran, by the way, kung gusto niya mangutang ng equipment, baka pwede siya.
Kung baga yung trends like before, normally, ang hinaan natin sa mga breads is chemical additives. Yung binanggit ni Press kanina, so sa US, like, they put in enzymes. So yung E number, mawawala yun, enzymes mas natural. Okay? So clean label. So yun yung innovation sa mga ingredients natin na makakatulong sa market natin na bagong trend, especially from US. Even other countries are doing that.